Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video you will find how to solve Panic Attack puzzle. This puzzle was created by Russian puzzle designer Kirill Grebnev and manufactured by Puzzle Master. The object of this puzzle is to remove the string, and the difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10. And as many other rope puzzles, it's look like impossible object, and from the first glance it looks like there is no solution to this puzzle. But there is a solution. I know at least 3 ways how to solve it, and I will show them to you. If you like Panic Attack puzzle, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. And now I will show you all 3 ways how to solve this puzzle. So the first one, what you have to do is put the string up. Next, what you have to do is put it around the inner part, left inner part of the puzzle, like this. Now take the string on the right side and put it around right part. And now you can remove it. That's it. That was the first solution. I will put it back the same way I took it out. The next solution is following. You have to grab the string with your hand and put it between these 2 parts. Next, what you have to do is rotate it 90 degrees to the right and put it around this left part. Now move it up around this left part to the right, and you can remove it. That was the second solution. I will put it back the same way. And the third solution is following. You have to put the string around the left part. Now move it down around the left part, this one. Now to the right, and you can remove it again. So as you can see, impossible puzzle is not so impossible. You can solve it with 3 different ways. If you like Panic Attack puzzle and you want to try some other interesting puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!